Ready for day 5? The backdrop is already good to go. Just head back to your day 3 space and keep those same watery walls. Stack boxes into a house shape. Add a wooden plastic table cover to be the door to the house. A few plants, and Lydia's house is a home. For Lydia's house, you'll need 2 clothes racks. You can place 2 chairs next to each other and rest dowels on top, or just set up a wooden clothes rack. Drape some purple fabric on one of the racks. Attach some string to the wall nearby and drape a few pieces of purple crepe paper on it. Across the room from Lydia's house, make a river by bunching up some blue fabric along a wall. Kids will meet Lydia at the river, and don't forget your crew blankets.